Hello, you are welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you guys a living hair spray for your natural hair or for your relaxed hair, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, and share this video with everyone. And here we've got our clean container with a tight cover. And we will go in with our first ingredient, which is hostel. This plant base helps to stimulate the hair, and it has an elasticity that helps to improve the hair fiber, thereby creating a healthy hair growth cycle and creating a clean environment for healthy hair growth. And the next ingredient is rosemary, which helps to stimulate hair growth, prevent hair fall, prevent dandruff, and helps to thicken your hair. Okay, it can just make your hair so nice. It smells so good, and I advise you to start putting rosemary to your meals. Okay, use it to cook your stew, your rice. It has a very good aroma and is good for your health, because as we are eating, we should give it to our hair. Okay, and I went ahead to stir it, and I will cover it and allow it to sit on my kitchen table for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, we will get back to it and see how it is doing. And after 30 minutes, we are back to check how it's doing. You can see the color has changed and it is good to go. It smells so good. I love this. I just want to drink this. But for today, I'm not going to drink it. This is for my hair. My hair needs to, to enjoy this. This is one of my hair rituals that I use to take care of my hair. Okay, even if you're your relaxed hair or on your braids, on your protective hairstyle, just like I always say in this my page, in this my space, our hair needs water. Okay, our hair needs water. Anything water, give it to your hair. Your hair will help the product you're applying to remain to, your hair need water, just like we need to drink water every day. Give your hair water. Okay. Yeah, and I went ahead to, separate the ingredients from the water. Okay, it's still somehow I will go ahead to, seal it with my cheesecloth. Any form, you can just, get a clean hairspray, a clean water, a clean product. Okay, you can see, so that you don't have this on your hair, because you don't want to have any product on your hair. Just all you just is the water and the aroma, the smell. It smells so good. It smells so good. Okay, let me know in the comment section if whether you will try this out. Okay, and let me know where you are watching us from, or if there is any video you want to see on this space. Okay, let me know in the comment section and I will gladly share with you guys. Okay, or I actually have some products that I found out and I'm using, and I'll be sharing it with you guys, at the due time. Yes, at the due time. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, follow us, and share this video. And I will go ahead to show you guys how I apply this on my hair. You can see I'm wearing my braids today. I braided my hair. This is a total, this my hair is total completely natural hair, thick 4C hair. That is what this my hair is. And I did my braid, you know, you know, you know. So this is how I'm taking care of my hair with this spray. Is a leave-in. I will go ahead, spray it generously. Okay, I'm not economizing this, generously on my hair, and I will massage it through, and I will moisturize my hair, and I will style my hair, and I'm good to go for the day. Okay, you can do this 2 times or 3 times a week, depending on your time. At least do it 2 times. I know we don't really have time, but ladies, we've got to take care of our hair. You've got to make time for your hair. You make time for your work, for your children, for your family, for your job, for everything. We should equally make time and take care of our hair. That is my advice for you people. Some people always, I didn't say everybody, some people wear unhealthy hair under their wigs. you know, try to, spend time on your hair and take care of your hair, okay? So, and that is why I am here to encourage you, okay? If you want to start a natural hair journey, I am here to encourage you, okay? Just follow me on this journey and we will encourage each other. I am not yet where I want to be on my hair journey, okay? Yeah, some people will say you've been growing this your hair for 3 years, for 4 years. Yes, because I am not doing magic. I'm taking my time and growing my hair one day at a time. Okay, and I am a very busy person, and out of my busy schedule, I still take care of my hair, and I'm sharing with you guys, that woman out there that is saying she doesn't have time. I opened this my page to encourage you that you can do it. Okay, you are not in competition with anybody. You can do it, because I've met a lot of people. They will tell me my hair is falling, my hair is itching me, I don't know what to do, and when I tell them what I do, they'll be like, I don't have time. I don't have time, or they will apply the product this week, next week they wouldn't remember, or they will say, I've used it for 1 month and it's not working. No, sis, 1 month is not enough. For some other person, 1 month can be enough, or 1 year can be enough, but for you, it is not enough. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I'm just here to encourage you. Thank you. I see all the love you guys are showing me. God bless you, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.